बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching दिल से बातें 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. Hard work at the right time. Hot-hearted story. In a village lived a farmer with two sons. The farmer often said, "Success comes to those who work on time." The elder son listened to his father and worked diligently. He sowed seeds on time, watered the crops, and cared for the fields. The younger son was lazy. He wasted time playing and always delayed work. Despite his father's advice, he never changed. As the harvest season came, the elder son's fields shone with golden crops and barns full of grain. Meanwhile, the younger son's land was barren, leaving him empty-handed. He finally realized that success only comes through hard work done at the right time. Moral: timely hard work leads to success. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.